I am Professor Ejaz Ahmed, Chemistry Department, University of Narowal. Students, we are studying ozonolysis of ethene. Let's see what are the applications of ozonolysis. First of all, ozonolysis is used to convert an alkene to a carbonyl compound, aldehyde or ketone. Secondly, we can use ozonolysis in order to locate presence of double bond in carbon-carbon chain. For example, if we have a butene in which double bond is present at position number 1 and we pass it through ozonolysis, we will get a mixture of two aldehydes. Both the carbons which are making double bond are changed to carbonyl carbon. Both carbons make double bond with oxygen from ozonolysis and a carbonyl group is developed. If double bond is present at position number 1, we get two aldehydes, one with 3 carbon atoms and one with 1 carbon atom. 3 carbon aldehyde is given IUPAC name propanol and 1 carbon aldehyde is given IUPAC name methanol. If we have a double bond in butene at position number 2, this is a symmetrical alkene, then the carbonyl molecules produced are identical. Alkene molecule is cleaved from the middle. These two carbons which are making double bond, they are changed to carbonyl carbon in two separate molecules of acetaldehyde. So in this way, we can distinguish between one butene and two butene, whether double bond is located after position number 1 or after position number 2 by ozonolysis. If a mixture of two aldehyde is produced, then it is one butene. Otherwise, it is two butene, giving only pure acetaldehyde. Third property of alkenes is polymerization. First of all, let's define what is meant by polymerization. Polymerization is a special type of reaction in which small organic molecules, a large number of small organic molecules, which are given the name monomers, they combine together to form a large molecule, a single molecule but a large molecule, which is given the name polymer, and the process is called polymerization. That is, combination of monomers to form polymer is called polymerization. In alkene family, ethene or ethylene is a very important member which is passed through polymerization. Ethene polymerizes at 400 degrees centigrade temperature and 100 atmospheric pressure in the presence of a trace amount of oxygen. A large number of ethene molecules, N stands for a large number of molecules. All the CC double bonds are changed to CC single bond and a long chain of CH2 group is produced, given the name either polyethylene, if we give name to CH2 double bond CH2 as ethylene commonly. From ethylene, the product is polyethylene. And if we use IUPAC name ethene, then it is polyethene or simply polythene. If we use a catalyst, either titanium tetrachloride TiCl4 or aluminium triethyl AlC2H5 ethyl group, whole thrice. Aluminium triethyl, they are suitable catalyst which can be used during polymerization of ethene in order to get a very good quality polyethylene. So these are reactions, chemical reactions of alkenes. Now let us see what are the uses of alkenes. From alkene family, ethene is a very important member which is used in order to manufacture polythene. Polythene is a valuable plastic which is used to make toys, plastic cables, plastic bags or boxes. Ethene can also be used in order to perform artificial ripening of fruits. For artificial ripening of fruits, fruits can be ripened artificially by the use of ethene gas. And number 3, ethene can also be used as a general anesthetic. Behosh karna, anesthetic. Ethene is also used for the preparation of mustard gas. Mustard gas is produced when ethene, 2 mole of ethene, is made to react with S2Cl2, which is sulfur monochloride, S2Cl2. One sulfur atom has 2 chloroethyl groups attached with it. These CH2, CH2, Cl groups are called chloroethyl. Chloro group is present at beta position. In both these chloroethyl, chloro group is at beta position. Alpha carbon is the carbon which is directly bonded to sulfur atom, and next carbon is beta carbon. So these are beta dash dichloroethyl, beta dash dichloroethyl sulfide. Sulfur is sulfide, as H2S is a hydrogen sulfide. The 2 atoms of hydrogen sulfide or hydrogen atoms are replaced by chloroethyl groups. So this is beta dash dichloroethyl sulfide, which is given special name as mustard gas. So mustard gas is a chemical which was used in World War I. It has mustard-like odor. It is not a gas, but high boiling liquid, and due to its mustard-like odor, it was given the name mustard gas. It is dispersed as a mist of tiny droplets. It is powerful vesicant which causes blisters. Ethene is also used for the preparation of many chemicals on industrial scale, like glycol. That is all about alkene family of hydrocarbon. Next family will be alkyne. Tomorrow inshallah. Allah Hafiz.